The key signature takes the place between the clef and the meter signature in a musical score. Here we don't have a meter signature because we are not presenting metered music, so the key signature is simply next to the clef. The key signature is a summary of the notes in the scale. It summarizes the members of the scale by listing only the altered pitches of the scale. If the key signature is blank, it is C major. We know because C major is the only scale that has no altered tones and uses only white keys. Therefore, the key signature for C major has nothing listed. This key signature represents A major. We know because the key signature shows 3 sharps, and the A major scale is the only major scale that has 3 sharps. The sharp symbols in the key signature appear on the line or space that corresponds to the actual note they affect. F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp are represented according to their actual location on the staff. There is a systematic and conventional way of writing key signatures that provides a convenience. The sharps in the key signature always present in this order. First F sharp, then C sharp, then G sharp. If G sharp is present in the scale, then so are F sharp and C sharp. This key signature represents E flat major. We know because the key signature shows 3 flats, and E flat major scale is the only major scale that has 3 flat notes. Again, the flat symbols in the key signature appear on the line or space that corresponds to the actual note they affect. B flat, E flat, A flat are represented according to their actual location on the staff. Like the sharp key signatures, there is a systematic and conventional way of writing flat key signatures that provides a convenience. The flats in the key signature always present in this order. First B flat, then E flat, then A flat, and so on. If A flat is present in the scale, then so are B flat and E flat. We will explore this convention in greater detail in the following 2 lectures.